Well, it is officially summer at the Chef's Garden. Right now, in our home delivery boxes and add-ons and in restaurants, these tomatoes are popping up on menus all over the country. What I'm gonna do today is a really quick, simple demo of the tomato sandwich. So let's get started on this. White bread. Can be any bread. If you've got a really great baker in your area, buy from them. When I'm looking for the perfect tomato, we just give it a gentle squeeze, and if it gives under gentle pressure, almost like an avocado, a softer avocado, it's ready to go. I like this Berkeley tie-dye right here. It feels great. It's polished, and it's going to be our sandwich today. There's no real rules to varieties of tomatoes either for sandwiches, but some are better than others. Some tomatoes that are filled with seeds can be a little bit messy when it comes to tomato sandwich. And others that are more fleshy, like this one, is going to make a great sandwich. And it's just dripping ripe. I use a serrated knife to slice tomatoes as well. A dull knife at home will only do more harm than good. When it gets into building the tomato sandwich, it's hard to add a bunch of layers of tomatoes. Sometimes that can be a little bit messy. So be careful. Simple. Dukes. Tomato. Salt. And serve.